This is a 1977 ChrisCraft Corinthian 38. Back in its day, it was a hot number, a boat that was highly sought after as a luxury floating condo. The boat, though past its prime, is still sought after by collectors and other boat enthusiasts. This one in particular had a mother and her daughter living aboard it for almost a decade, and they had done some terrific work with it on the inside. The outside, not so much, and so I wanted to make sure to document all of the areas of blemishes that it does have on the outside, and which is part of the reason they're asking $18,500 for it. You can see a crack on the door there, but also showcasing its layout, which is still just absolutely excellent. Great floor space up here. See a barbecue. They updated where the propane tank is, which is excellent, something surveyors love. Doorway here. Again, you can see some cracks. All this areas that need to be filled in there. Some of them are easy. Others might take some time, but certainly somebody could take this boat and bring it back to its glory days for sure. It's the bridge up here. As you can see, once again, not a ton to write home about, but certainly it's got the bones. See the deck space up there. It's got an anchor, no windlass on it as well. Let's move on down. We'll enter through the back. Actually, we'll enter through the front. Going down this way. See, these are the stairs on down to the salon area. They've got a nice fireplace, electrical fireplace. They also have Espart heat here. So they really put their time on the amenities and making sure that their craft was comfortable to live in. Here they've updated the galley as well, updated stove, refrigerator, bottom freezer, and such. Sink, microwave. Again, everything needed to be comfortable. Here is the helm. Again, an area where they fell short was labeling these buttons. So that area needs to be straightened out. You could say they did get the shift and throttle part right. And you have one Garmin there. Oh, there, I'm good. I did get it. So you've got a depth sounder in all its glory. Also worth pointing out down here, by the way, this here is a fire control for the engine room. So that's excellent they have. But all this has been redone. And so there is some good electrical work that I've noticed down here. I believe that this here, this Norcross, is a autopilot of sorts, but I haven't studied enough on it to see. VHF as well, updated VHF on the side there. Coming down here, this is the v-berth area. It's where one of the bedrooms is. Has its own private head entrance right here. You can see the work that they've done with that. Also, private closing door there, and a second entrance here to the head. So that's a very nice layout there. Moving on over, and I've taken out this panel as well to give a view of the engine, and we'll get a little bit more into the engine compartment there, but this is just a brief showing of the corrosion that is on one of the risers. There's an identical one on the other one, so expect to spend $3,000 or $4,000 to having those risers replaced on there. Cheaper if you do it yourself, probably $1,800. Aft cabin here with two twins. A TV. There's actually a flat screen TV in the front end as well. This here is the head right on there, and standing shower in there. So really nice laid out and well kept interior in here. And takes you back out to the entrance, the aft end as well.